Number 1. DITRIO 18 PCS Motorcycle LED Lights Kit. This LED strip kit combines 3 basic functions that make it safer for you to ride at night: optimum lighting, additional brake light, and turn signal features. Turn signal. The control box divides LED strips into 2 zones, left and right. When you press the turn signal button, all strips on the same side will blink in amber, making your changes more noticeable. Number 2. 14 PCS Motorcycle RGB LED Lights Kit. Motorcycle Underglow LED Light Kit have innovatively turned signal and brake warning. When you apply the brakes, all LED lights will light up red and revert to the previous setting when you release the brakes. When you press the turn signal button, all LED motorcycle lights on the same side will flash amber. This is used to warn vehicles behind you and improve your driving safety. Number 3. Benlari new 1157 LED Turn Signals Super Bright 60 LED Front Rear Lights Lens Kit. The 1157 LED turn signals are more than 300% brighter than halogen bulb, full aluminum housing with upgraded smoke lens for better light output and better heat distribution for longer lifespan and softer driving. Excellent light transmission. There are turn signal lenses made of high-quality PC plastic with 3 layers special protective coating for scratch resistant after 300 wipes. Number 4. 8 Pods Motorcycle LED Lights Kits. This 8-piece motorcycle underglow LED light kit is made up of 48 bright LEDs, making your motorcycle shine brightly at night and become the focus on the road. With 16 million colors and 29 dazzling modes, such as flashing, breathing, fading, and jumping, you can attract countless attention and praise no matter where you ride. Motorcycle Lights Underglow Kit enhances the overall appearance of the motorcycle while providing additional functionality. Number 5. NTHREAUTO 1157 Front Rear LED Turn Signals Kit. Compatible with 2-inch bullet-style Harley LED turn signal with 1157 double contacts bulbs only, such as compatible with Harley Fatboy, Street Glide, FLTRX Road Glide, FLS Softail, FLFB Fatboy, XL 883N Iron 883, Electra Glide, Road King, and other models. Note: does not fit 1156 single contact bulbs. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subs.